Hey, good morning, everybody. Jason here. Happy Monday. Exciting day for sure because Tesla earnings are going to come out after hours today. I'm expecting positive news and along with a run up during the day, and then who knows what happens after. Even with a good earnings report these days, we don't know what's going to happen. So, one thing I forgot to do Friday was roll out some calls. So I've got this AMD, Gap, MGM, Palantir, and Snap all covered calls that I usually do the last Friday prior to expiration. But I'm going to go ahead and do that today. So AMD, let's get going on this. We'll buy back was it a 95? Yep, we'll buy back the 95. Roll that out a week. And sell a 95. Grab 27 bucks. If we can, maybe 26 bucks. So this AMD, this is on a call that I have expiring. It's a little ways out, a 90. Let's see. Let's actually take a look when I'm selling it at. Actually, that's only expiring. Nope. That's that's one I just sold. Where's my AMD? So a December $95 call that I originally bought for $6.90. It's currently up a few dollars, but then we've also collected premium along the way. Let's move Gap out. Gap, I am selling this on the, I believe, 300 shares that we own. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to buy back the 36, roll them out. I'm going to give myself another dollar runway here. And see if we can we grab 30 bucks on these? May have to grab a little bit less. Oh, I typed in 30 when it was 30 total. Jeez, it's definitely Monday. See if we can grab $9 because that's actually reasonable. All right, $27. I'm going to go to Gap and, oops, I'm going to buy $27 worth. So stock that I like, that I want to hold, I just keep buying more when I sell premium on it. MGM. Let's take a look at this 430. And we're going to buy back the 44, roll that out a whole week. I like MGM. That was just one of them, right? Yep. And see if we can grab $25 here. $24. And you can see how simple this is. This is just collecting a few extra bucks, maybe, $100 or whatever a week, and it's just on stock we already own, so might as well collect some premium. Jeez. Let me get $22. MGM, I don't mind owning it for the price that I bought it at, but I did buy it while everything was super down. But it's not something I want to build a huge position on. So that's why I'm not going to take the premium, stick it back in shares. And I don't know why this is not filling at all. Maybe I need to try a different strike price here. So 45. That's $5. Can I have a few dollars? Few dollars credit? There we go. $4. And we have Palantir. This is one I keep wanting to sell pretty far out of the money because I do not want to lose these shares. And then we're going to do one thing at the end after this. Move that up $1. So we have 3 of these. There we go. Grab an extra $15. Palantir. We'll take our $15 and buy another 0.6 of a share. All right, collected some of that dough. Tesla looks like it is bouncing. When I was looking at the level 2s this morning, I expected somewhere between 736 and 750, unless we have a breakout to either side. Expected it actually to continue up this morning, but that's all right. So Palantir. Let's do a totally separate video on what I'm about to do. Let's not do it here. Oh, and Snap. Oops. Let's not forget about my Snap. We'll buy back 70 and sell a 70 and grab another $13. Actually, Snap is a company I don't think I own any of in any of my portfolios. Just only that Leaps. All right, so there you have it. We moved everything out, and now the only thing we are playing, holy smokes, let's look at that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plays on Tesla expiring Friday. This is definitely not a normal position for me to be in at all with so many expiring in such a short time, but expected some run up today. We'll see how it turns out, and then we'll react accordingly. I am looking at buying a Leaps on Palantir, but I want to do that as a separate transaction, separate video, because I kind of want to talk through that. And it's just something that I realized that option. There's those Leaps were built for the situation I'm in 100% perfectly. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll definitely be watching earnings this evening. Yeah, other than that, love you guys. Make a lot of money.